So now we're going to take a look at how to do another landing page or squeeze page in Lofty Chime. We're going to be here at the top under marketing, and then we're going to be in this bar all the way down under tools and landing pages. I'm going to go to the top and I'm going to click add a new landing page, and then it's going to be here. I'm going to go to the new listings template, and then when I click new listings, it's going to open up again to this box here. Now, this is just a list of all new listings that hit the market. So all new listings. There you go. So it's anything that's considered a new listing will be on this. So then once you have the name, you have the box, you just hit save. It's going to pop up in a new window. Here it goes. And then you'll see here, once it pops up, it shows all the new listings that are hitting the market. All kinds of different ones. Now, some interesting types you can go, we can't really do anything yourself, but when your client goes in there, they can look for price and everything like that and kind of search it. Again, you can't publish it yet. You want to click on these 4 buttons up here in the top left, the block, settings, style, and SEO. The second one, settings, just like the other video we did. You want to come in here, go to page tracking, put in your Google Analytics account G number, if there's another video we have on that one, and also the Facebook Pixel ID. This will track a little bit better of who's looking at your picture as you're at your landing page. Lofty already will track this for you, which I'll show you in a minute, but this will track it special for yourself as well. The other thing, again, you're going to go to SEO, keyword relevance, and then right here, you can just click any of these keywords. They give you some options, and then homes for sale in San Antonio, and you got up to 100 characters. And then you click get analysis, but it won't give you anything till you print it, till you publish it, I mean. So now you have it. It was that easy. Change those 2, have it ready, top right, publish. Now once it pops up like this, you're published. Again, I like to go post to social because I want to get the little link that I can share it myself in different places. So here's the link right here. If I copy that, I can just use that link, or I can click it and it will open up that list. As you can see right here, here's the published listing or squeeze page, landing page, whatever you want to call it, for all new listings. So I can go here, price, any type, listing status. Of course, it's all active right now, or new listings, I should mean. So let's say I only want new. I can do any of that. I can do more. I can search as much deep as I want. Property type, I'm only going to do single family. Let's say price, I want between 200 and 300. And now it's only going to show new listings between 200 and 300. So again, that's what the client sees. That's how they can use it. I just clicked on that link again right here that I just made right there to click on it to open it up to show you. Now, as you can see, when it opens, you could post it instantly to some places. I can't do Instagram because it's not a picture. But once it loads a little bit here and give me a preview, well, let me just grab one of them so it can give me a preview. So you got to click on one of these boxes in here if the AI is on. And there it is. Now this doesn't do a good preview house. We're not going to look at that. But this is what it would look like if it was there. And I don't like the way it looks with this LPT. I want an actual house picture. So I copied that link and I'm going to see what it looks like in Facebook. And then if I just paste it and put it in here and paste it, it's going to give me a preview. Now it's showing just real estate listings. I'm just going to not put a message in there just to see what it looks like when I post it. Now it still says LPT. I don't really like that. That's up to you. It doesn't matter if it says LPT. It just shows all the new listings. Take that off. Yep. And then it's in there. So you can post this to your social media. Oh, wrong tab. You can post that to your social media. You could go here. This is my Google My Business. I can hit add update. And then here at the top, add update. And then I would put a list, like take a picture, see all the new listings that just hit the market. Could be something that I say. And then that link where it says learn more, I would click in there for that link and paste that link in there. And there you go. And now that link button's right there ready to go. And that's just a way you can kind of take that single property squeeze page, push it out to different places. This is what it looks like. And then you can see here, It's made and you can just reuse it over and over. So yesterday, I just did the one at Mid Crown. Same day I'm doing this one. This is only a couple hours ago, and we already have 13 views and 11 clicks on it. So some people like to look at these pages because it's interactive. They can easily check it out and kind of see what's doing the best for you. So that's some different ways. Again, so we went up here at landing. We did all listings. This just shows all listings in your area on the MLS in your area. So it's kind of a broad one. You can't really break it down here smaller, which I wish we can, but it still lets us build this squeeze page or landing page, whatever you want to call it. And it shows you some good keywords. Key phrases is pretty six, pretty high, not bad. Title keyword is kind of low. They didn't like those very much. I don't care. It's too broad. Homes for sale. And then you can check out your SEO. So you already had an 8. This is a 9. That one's a great one. And then URL is great. That's a 10 out of 10. So these are some good results. So you can see how it works. So this just lets you take a list of all new listings on the market.